Okay, I'm going to teach you a different technique today. Today we're going to finish making this Halloween wreath. And it's made in purple, orange, and black. And it's the diagonal curl is what I call it. I did already put these together, which I'm going to show you how to do the bundles. But to each bundle I have added the ribbon and stuff that we need to those already in there to save time. But what you're going to do is I like to stack my mesh just to make it a little easier to cut. And there's the orange, stack the purple, carry it over, and stack the black, carry it over. And this here is the Dollar Tree mesh. It will work with the Hobby Lobby 5.5 inch. But for these kind of rolls, I like the way this tends to be softer than the Hobby Lobby. And I like how it makes the tighter curls and the pointier points. That's just a personal preference. It's not something that has to be done. But anyway, back to cutting. Let's see, we need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's make 16 more cuts if we can get that far. And we're cutting them at 7 inches. So there's 1, 2, and yes, it can be a little hard to get them started, but okay, so there's 3. 4, 5, 6, 'm going to cut one more, and then I will pause the camera, cut the rest, and come back. Okay? So there's got 6, there's 7, 8, 9. Okay, I'm going to cut 7 more and I'll be right back. Okay, I got those cut up into 7-inch strips. Purple, orange, and black. Dollar Tree 6-inch mesh. And then I used this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. And I cut those at 9 inches. And I dovetailed the end. Fold it over and cut from the fold to the edges up on both sides, and it makes dovetails. And then I got some of the polka dot little thin strip to go on top like that. But before I show you how to put that on, I'm going to show you how to make these twist bundles. Okay, you take your Dollar Tree and you hold the mesh and you lay it on the table like that. to where it wants to curl up on the sides. You take one corner, the corner closest to you, whichever, if you're right-handed, left-handed, and you start curling it from corner to corner, opposite each other. That's the way you're going to curl it. And it does not have to be perfect. And if you notice, it stretches out all by itself to make just like a little pencil. And then you're going to put it in a chip clip, clothespin. Somebody bought some of these. You could even use one of these. Just something to hold them so it don't unroll while you're doing your next one. And again, you go from corner to corner and you just roll it up about the size of a pencil in your fingers. Don't worry about the ends, because sometimes they'll come open, but that doesn't matter. It's all going to be looking the same when you get it in the wreath. So, and the ribbon helps hide any flaws. So there you've got all three done. And you're going to take two of them, you're going to crisscross them, and then you're going to put the other one in the middle. Take a pipe cleaner. I cut my 12-inch pipe cleaners in half to make them last a little longer, and then you put that right in the middle of those. Crisscross one straight up and down to where you can hold it like that, and then you push those up to show you the ties, and you twist it 1, 2. Now when you stop twisting, you want to stop twisting so that the, see how your X goes here? You want your pipe cleaner to go right, follow that one in the middle. That way it's easier to tie on to the form. Okay? I'll show you again. Corner to corner, rolling it up between our fingers to make like a pencil. Move those out of my way. Corner to corner, roll it up. And again, take this corner and roll it over to the next corner. Then you make your X, one straight up and down. Bend the pipe cleaner, put it around the middle so it comes out the back. Push them up and twist. And remember, the purple one's going up and down, the pipe cleaner should match. Okay, now I can show you the bundle with the, I've already done the curls, because what I did is I just took a bundle apart for you. I'm going to take the little one, lay it on top of the other one, and you can use any colors, any ribbon. Lay that on top like that, and then you're going to pick it all up, hold it in your fingers, take your pipe cleaner, put it right in the middle of that whole bundle, round to the back, twist it up, pinching it up like that. Also make sure that you can make sure it's pretty even up there. Okay, 2 twists. Maybe just make sure the ribbon's curly a little bit. Okay, now we're ready to put those on our wreath. And like I said, I did do most of it just to save a little bit of time, because it is a time-consuming thing to do, but it's relaxing at the same time. So I left one whole section left to do. We're going to put the ribbon in. Okay, by section, I guess I should point out, I mean between this bar and this bar. That's one section. And there's 4 rings. We're going to be attaching the pipe cleaners to the 2 in the middle. Okay, so we attach our ribbon bundle, put it on, turn it around to the back, and twist it on. I always bend mine over just to make sure they're not going to stick me. And then you push it over. At this time you can make sure the ribbon's right. Then you take 2 bundles that do not have ribbon, and you're going to take these bundles and tie them over the 2 center rungs, same way. Put them over the 2, go around to the back, and twist it on. So there's one, there's the second one, twisting it in the back and bending it. So now in this section we have 1 with ribbon and 2 without. We're going to repeat that pattern again. 1 with ribbon, tying it in the back, bend it, and 2 without. And it doesn't really matter what color pattern that you put those in the bundles, because once you get it on the wreath, they're going to blend. It's going to look good. So there's 1 without, there's 2 without, here's the second one. And as you're doing this, you'll see little straggles of mesh where it's fraying. That's okay. At the end, we'll go in and we'll clean that up. Okay, so now we are ready for another ribbon. Over the 2 in the middle, to the back, tie it on, bend it up, and scoot it over. You can fluff your ribbon at this time, make it a little curly. And 2 without. It does get a little tight near the end, but it will fit. Fix your ribbon. Had to check, make sure we weren't running out of battery on the camera. I've had that happen before. I've started filming other techniques and the battery died and I didn't know it. So I got discouraged and didn't record any for a while. But I'm doing some new things, so I want to be able to show you. Okay, so there's the ribbon and 2 without. The last little bit here. Last little bit is the 4th bundle with ribbon, because I put 4 ribbon bundles and 8 without in each section. So that's 4 ribbon and 8 without, because it goes ribbon, without, without, ribbon, without, without. Okay. So there's the first one without. And the last one without. Okay. And once you get them all on there, you can make sure that all the ribbon is showing. Flip it over. spread those out a little bit. Push those through. Okay. And there's, you have what I call the Starburst wreath for Halloween. And I just tie a pipe cleaner around one of the rungs, one of the posts that separate the two sections. I just tie the pipe cleaner around there so that they have something to hang it up with. If you're going to sell this, you could put a placemat on the back. You can get round placemats at Dollar Tree or Walmart. I'm thinking $3 a piece at Walmart and $1 a piece at the Dollar Tree. But as far as embellishments on this thing, the ribbon is actually enough. I could leave it like this, or I could put one of the signs on it. Let me hold that up for you. I could put a sign on it, like that. I could put a ghost in the middle. I haven't decided 100% how I'm gonna decorate this one. Once I decide, I'll decorate it and I'll take pictures, and you'll see the picture at the front of this video. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy haunting.